Hey guys, it's me with,
XT4LXat.
and this is week 2 of Weekly Explosions. We're on our server. Here's
This
the
one was all mine.
yeah, this one was all him. This he did this right after he screwed the pooch on our good buildings. Messed up once, messed up twice, messed up 3 times. So now he's trying to redeem himself.
Oh, this will redeem me. Oh, if it doesn't, I don't know what will.
What? How did your pumpkin, your jack-o'-lantern survive under that ball of TNT?
I don't know.
I'm probably gonna lag out here, guys, so just to let you know.
If you do, you'll see the carnage afterwards, at least.
Yeah, so this
You
is
ready?
this is hold on. This is the land as it is now. That big hole goes somewhere else. Where does that hole go to, Hat?
More TNT.
Okay. So I'm just gonna get in a little better of a position where I can see everything. Let me turn down my render distance so hopefully I won't lag out. Go to short. Hopefully.
And just to remind you guys, I will be in the explosion,
Yeah,
setting it off.
he's like in there somewhere. So whenever you're ready, Hack, give us the countdown.
Firing in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Starting. Fire in the hole! Fire in the
There
hole!
it is. Oh, and it's just dropping down
And it's
for
just
me.
all nothing for me.
And there it is. There is the lag out. The end of the
Holy
stream.
crap, that just left a huge hole just straight down.
And now we can't join.
Dude, get back on the server and check this out.
Oh, oh. So
Look, the hole went straight down.
wow. He blew up all that grass that was over there. It looks like how much, to there. He got. Let's go down the hole. Oh, there's that
Hey,
cave I was
you
at.
always...
It's over here in this hole. More cave.
Cool.
Oh, so this was where the stuff. What? Oh.
I just unveiled
This
a massive cave system
this was
now.
this was where I was at a minute ago, Hat.
Oh, whatever.
Because over there,
Still.
that way was the spawner. So there you guys go, week 2 of Weekly Explosions.
And
So
now you get to watch the sunset if he shows you.
I don't. It's not. Is it sunset time? Oh, there it is.
Yeah,
There it
right
is.
over there.
There goes the sun, doo doo doo. There goes the
Okay, no.
sun, what I say.
Blah.
And where